Number 44, the first thing I notice here is I have an x cubed. So I have an x cubed, I have an x squared, and I have an x. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out an x. So I notice an x factors out of that top part, leaving me with this. In the bottom, I notice an x factors out, leaving me with x squared plus 3x, take away 10. Now, let's go ahead and factor this trinomial. So we have an x. What is going to give us a negative 12, but yet add together and only have a difference of 1? Well, we know there's 1 in 12, 2 times 6. It's the 3 and 4. We need to gain more, so I need to gain 4, lose 3. So this is going to be x minus 3, x plus 4. Don't forget we have the x out front, right? You got the x out front. Here we have the x out front. And what is this guy going to break down to? Difference of 10, 5 and 2. You gain more, so it's going to be an x plus 5, x minus 3. X minus 2, silly me. X minus 2. Now, what about this? Division is going to change to multiplication. He's going to go down here. He's going to come up top. So let's put him in the bottom. What's going to factor out there? A 4, leaving us an x minus 3. The 2x plus 10 that goes up top, a 2 factors out, leaving an x plus 5. Now we're going to cancel out. Let's see what I have here. I have an x plus 5 here, x plus 5 here. Also notice an x and an x. I have an x minus 3, x minus 3. And that looks like that's about it, other than the 2 and 4. Becomes a 1, becomes a 2. So up top, I have an x plus 4. In the bottom, I have a 2 times an x minus 2. It would be nice to state the restrictions of who disappeared. Right here, you couldn't have a negative 5. Right here that disappeared, you couldn't have a 0. And right here that disappeared, you couldn't have a 3. So those are restrictions of what x cannot equal. Problem 44 for you.